Yonder coming that high-headed fella is no son to the sun. He'll tell you that he built this world, without him it wouldn't run. If every action...
Okay, so I'm making a composter out of some scrap materials. Basically, a nice big composter is $200 to $300, and I'm not going to spend that kind of money. So I ended up buying this used barrel. It was a vinegar or a mayonnaise barrel, I'm not quite sure, but it's a food grade barrel, big 55 or 60 gallon barrel. Cost me 10 bucks. I had some scrap 2x6s, so I built a quick frame. This is the most expensive hardware I bought. I got these on Harbor Freight for $2.99 a piece for these wheels. They were on sale. And I spent the money on the bolts there and these screws, and yay, it spins. Okay. I also spent some hardware on, spent some money on some hinges and some latches. Inside this bad boy, God, it's a beast. It's a bitch to do right now because nothing is completed. But anyway, inside of there, I've got some pressure treated wood to support the door, and then it kind of latches shut. Yay! And so it'll spin. Yay! And then you got to get air for a composter. So I got these great big holes here and here, and I got great big hole here and here. Those will get plugged. And you're like, oh, geez, well, everything's going to fall out of those great big ass holes. Yes, it will. Unless you also have scrap 4-inch PVC water pipe that is basically going to go to the junkyard or figure out a way to use it. So I drilled a crap ton of holes in it. I've got another one here. And once all the holes, I finished drilling all the crap ton of holes in there, then I'll stick them in here, run it through. I've measured those. My pieces of pipe are about, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches longer than this is high. And then I'll just epoxy them in place, and that'll give me a nice place for air to flow in and bubble out through the entire unit. It's got plenty of airflow, so it will compost properly. And also, those posts will act like little, scoops, blades, whatever you want to call it, on the inside when I rotate it to help move all the crap around. And then, that'll let the air in and out, and should work. If I run into problems with drainage, like too much liquid in there, maybe I'll drill a few holes around this perimeter and that perimeter, maybe a couple in here. I don't want to do too many because I don't want crap falling out all over the time. But basically, building a super high-end composter, rednecking the hell out of it. Thanks for watching.
Hey, don't pull that stuff on me. I am just a country boy, as plain as you can see. I'm not so very smart, dumb as any old you. Just show me 100 stuck-up folks, and I'll show you 100 fools.